Okay, so this section is all about thinking ahead to what happens after an attack and then laying down strategies now before the attack so that should the worst come to pass, we're ready and we can come out on top. Like, I want you to come out the other side feeling powerful instead of feeling like a victim. Now, some of you already know what being attacked feels like. So, what we're going to do is we're also going to give you tools for how to deal with past trauma. Yes, you can heal, but surprise, surprise, that is not our goal here. Imagine spending all of your energy trying to fix the past. Like, it's gone. You can't change it. But what you can do is to make the now and the future so freaking powerful that the hold of the past starts to fade. And then one day, without trying, you just realize, yeah, you know what? It doesn't have a hold on you anymore. Like, it's still there. You've still learned from your experiences, but it does not limit you. It does not bother you. It does not live free in your head. So you don't need to heal. You're not broken. You just need someone to give you the right tools. Let's start that right now.